This example will demonstrate how to use the analog input and output. In order to read the value on the potentiometer, we use the analog read command, and we set that equal to a variable. We use the serial println command to display the value on the serial monitor. The range is from 0 to 1023.
They're sort of animal language, really.
First thing we want to do is declare our variables and which pins they go to on the Arduino Uno. The potentiometer goes to analog pin 0. The LEDs go to pins 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We want to use the serial.begin command to be able to use the serial monitor. Also, we want to declare that the potentiometer is an input. Now in the void loop part of our code, we have to use the analog read command and set that equal to this variable called pot value. And then to be able to see the value on the potentiometer, we will use the serial.println and then use that pot value variable. Now if the pot is all the way turned to 0 or under 50, we want all the LEDs to be off. If the potentiometer is above 50 and under 200, we just want the one LED to be on and the rest to be off. And then if we increase the pot value greater than or equal to 200 but under 400, then we want two LEDs to turn on and the rest to be off. If the potentiometer is greater than or equal to 400 and less than 600, then we're going to have 3 LEDs on, 2 of them off. Then if it is greater than or equal to 600 and the pot value is less than 800, we want 4 of the LEDs on and the 5th to be off. And finally, when we turn it almost all the way up, and if the pot value is greater than or equal to 800, then we want all the LEDs to be on. When using the analog write command, we have a range of 0 to 255, 255 being a full 5 volts, 0 being no volts.